Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the multi-link broken link checker by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to scan multiple URLs at once and instantly identify broken links, redirects, and slow pages. This actor checks the health of large batches of URLs in parallel. It tells you which links are broken, which ones redirect, how long each page takes to respond, and whether any URLs are slow or failing. It's designed for SEO audits, website maintenance, quality assurance, and competitive link analysis. So, how does it work? To get started, you paste all the URLs you want to check out into the input page. For this demo, I'm going to use a mix of real URLs, including some that are intentionally broken. You can add just a few links, or add thousands. The actor processes them in parallel. Once everything is set, you can either run the actor once, or schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. When the run finishes, each URL appears as a row in the dataset. For every link, you get the status code, response time, redirect info, final destination, and error details if something failed. This makes it easy to spot broken links and performance issues instantly. You can also export all this data as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file. And that way you can share it with your team, SEO tools, or monitoring systems. The multi-link broken link checker is ideal for keeping websites healthy, improving SEO, and catching link issues before users do. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this actor, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.